Hey Coco, just a quick video trying to demonstrate how we do the knitting. So this is just a basic knit stitch. I've already started a couple of rows of this one because casting on is going to be a different kind of stitch and I can teach later on. But just to get the knitting started, when you're holding the knitting needles, make sure that you're holding at the top and you're covering the stitches, otherwise they fall off the needles really easily. So holding it like this, the aim is to get these stitches over onto this needle, and you do that by working them one by one. So we go in behind the first stitch so that the needle pops out through the front like that. And then we wrap the yarn that we've got in this hand around and through the middle of the needles. And then the trickiest part is you've got to keep that wrapped around while you take this needle back down under that stitch and then take that stitch off. So I'll do a few of those just to show you a couple of stitches. So in through the back, out through the front, wrap the yarn around and in between, hold it on while you take it down, back under the stitch, up and off. I'll show you one slow again, like that, around, down, up and off. And I've made it so that we're at the end of this row, so I'll show you what it looks like when we turn around. Taking the stitch off. 2 more to go for this row. Alright, so once we've got all of those stitches now on this needle, all we do is take that needle and we turn it around so that it's in our other hand. Pull that yarn down the front like that. So that's what your first stitch looks like. And then we take that spare needle now with nothing on it, and that becomes your right hand needle. And it's just like normal, so make sure that you go in behind the stitch, out through the front, wrap around the back, and then we're just back to the same process as before. So working those stitches one at a time over onto the other needle. All right, I hope that helps. Good luck and happy knitting.